Hi, let's find the value of x, given that you have root x plus root 2 equals 2. So from here, let's say we want to apply method 1. So when we have root x plus root 2 equals 2, we have here to be root x. Let's take this root 2 to the other side. We have 2 minus root 2. Then let's square both sides. So after squaring both sides, this will cancel out this. We have x equals 2. Let's expand this as 2 minus root 2 times 2 minus root 2. So this will be x equals 2 times 2, 4. 2 times minus root 2 will be minus 2 multiplied by root 2. This again minus root 2 times 2 will be minus 2 multiplied by root 2. Minus times minus will be plus. Root 2 times root 2, you can have it as root 2, all as this. X 4 minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be minus 4 root 2. Then this, we cancel out this, we have plus 2. We have x 4 plus 2 give us 6 minus 4 multiplied by root 2. And this is the final answer for the value of x using the method 1. Then by applying the method 2, so where we are going to have will be root x plus root 2 equals 2. Let's square both sides. We have root x plus root 2 square equals 2 square. Then from here we have to expand this as, or let's have this as root x square plus 2 times root x times root 2, then plus root 2 square. Then this will be 2 to the power of 2, 4. So this will cancel out this. We have x plus this will be 2 multiplied by this will be with 2x. This will cancel out this. We have 2 equals 4. So from here we have x plus 2 multiplied by root 2x equals 4 minus 2. X plus 2 multiplied by root 2x, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So by taking this x to the other side, so we are going to have 2 multiplied by root 2x equals 2 minus x. Let's square both sides to eliminate this. Open parenthesis 2 multiplied by root 2x, close the parenthesis, square equals 2 minus x. Then from here square. So from here we have this AB square equals a square times b square. So from here we have this as 2 square times root 2x square equals 2 minus x, the expansion, 2 minus x. So this will be 4. This cancel out this, we have times 2x. This time this will be 4. This time this will be minus 2x plus x squared. This will be 8x. This will be 4 minus 4x plus x squared. So from here, we have this to be x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 8x. X squared minus 4x minus 8x plus 4 equals 0. Then from here we have x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So let's solve this quadratically, where we have a to be 1, the coefficient of x squared, b to be minus 12, then c to be equals 4. So we're going to have this as x, here is minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac. So we have here to be minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from here we have x to be equals, here is minus 12, it will be 12, positive or negative. This will be minus 12 square 4 times a times c over 2. X equals 12, positive or negative. We have root of 144 minus 16 over 2. So from here we have x to be equals 12, positive or negative. 144 minus 16 will be 128, then over 2. So from here we have x, 12, positive or negative. 128 can be simplified as 16 times 8 over 2. Then from here we have x, 12, positive or negative. This will be root 16 times root 8 over 2. We have x, 12, positive or negative. This will be root 16, that's 4, times this root 8 will be 2 multiplied by root 2 over 2. X will be 12, positive or negative, 8 multiplied by root 2 over 2. X, this divided by this will be 6, positive or negative. This divided by this will be 4 multiplied by root 2. So finally, we discover that x equals 6, then minus 4 multiplied by root 2 is the final answer.